Rise from failure. In a bustling city, there lived a young woman named Evelyn. She was known for her brilliance and creativity. From childhood, she had a deep passion for painting, and her artworks mesmerized everyone who saw them. Her teachers believed she would become a renowned artist, and her parents always supported her dreams. As Evelyn grew older, she started gaining recognition. She won competitions, displayed her paintings in exhibitions, and even received offers from prestigious art galleries. Success came easily, and soon, Evelyn believed that her talent alone was enough to keep her at the top. She stopped practicing, ignored feedback, and spent most of her time enjoying the luxuries her success brought her. One day, she was invited to showcase her work at an international art exhibition. Confident in her skills, she did not prepare properly. When the exhibition day arrived, her artwork failed to impress. Critics harshly judged her work, calling it uninspired and lacking depth. She felt humiliated. The once praised artist was now facing rejection. Offers from galleries disappeared, and even her biggest supporters hesitated to encourage her. Devastated, Evelyn locked herself in her studio. She couldn't understand what went wrong. She began doubting her abilities, thinking her dream was over. Days turned into weeks, and she refused to pick up a brush. Seeing her in despair, her father, a wise man, sat beside her and said, "Do you know the story of the blacksmith's sword?" Evelyn shook her head. Her father smiled and began, "There was once a blacksmith who wanted to create the finest sword in the kingdom. He forged the metal and shaped it, but when he tested it, the blade broke. He was disappointed, but he did not give up. He melted the metal again, hammered it with more precision, and cooled it carefully. Still, the blade was weak. He repeated the process over and over, refining the sword each time. After many failures, he finally crafted a blade so strong and beautiful that it became legendary. Just like the blacksmith's sword, true strength comes from being tested and improved. Failure does not define you. What you do after failure does." Evelyn listened intently. She realized she had taken her talent for granted and stopped refining her skills. With renewed determination, she picked up her brush again. She started practicing daily, experimenting with new techniques, and seeking guidance from other artists. She faced her failures head-on and used them as stepping stones. Months later, Evelyn submitted her work to another exhibition. This time, her paintings were breathtaking. They captured emotions and stories in a way that touched people's hearts. The same critics who once dismissed her now praised her transformation. Opportunities returned, and she became more successful than ever, not just because of her talent, but because of her resilience and dedication. Years later, Evelyn became a celebrated artist and a mentor, inspiring young painters to embrace failure as a part of growth. She often shared her father's story, reminding everyone that failure is never the end. It is the fire that forges us into something stronger, just like the blacksmith's sword. Vocabulary, words from the story. Recognition, meaning, acknowledgement or appreciation of someone's talent or achievements. Example: Evelyn gained recognition for her stunning paintings at the art exhibition. Humiliated, meaning, feeling ashamed or embarrassed, especially in public. Example: she felt humiliated when the critics harshly judged her artwork. Resilience, meaning, the ability to recover from difficulties or setbacks. Example: Evelyn's resilience helped her overcome failure and improve her skills. Refining, meaning, improving something by making small changes and enhancing its quality. Example: the blacksmith kept refining the sword until it became legendary. Stepping stone, meaning, a stage or experience that helps in progress toward success. Example: Evelyn saw her failure as a stepping stone to becoming a better artist. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.